Hello everybody and welcome back to Jaltest VLOGS. Today we're going to go into a couple of buttons on the help menu. That would be the first one, Glossary. It turns out that there's a lot of terms on this software and there's a lot of things that we might not be acquainted with, so there is a glossary option that will help us with that process. If we see something that we don't understand what it is, we're going to click on Glossary, and let's say for example that I'm not very acquainted with an EGR. I click EGR and everything that has EGR shows up here. So in this case we will click on it, exhaust gas recirculation, and if we have more questions and the I is available for extra information, we will put it there and it tells you that the system controls the airflow from the exhaust manifold and so on. So every time that we have a question on acronyms, we'll get the description and some more there. Okay. The next button here is going to be also the icon description. Sometimes we look at things and we don't really know what the developer decided to put in there. So you have your basics, which are back, star, VIN, but there might be some that you don't know what they look like. So this, for example, would be your diagnostics menu. This would be your repair time. And if you continue to scroll down, it will be for every icon that you can see on our software. So any question you might have in that regards, you're capable of looking at an icon description and figuring out what it is. So once again, here in the help menu, glossary for any acronyms, or icon description for any icons that you can't figure out what they are or you want to double check. So thank you for tuning in and see you in the next vlog.